Want to create stunning Instagram collage stories in minutes? Imagine combining multiple photos in a single story effortlessly. I'll show you step by step how to make eye-catching collages that stand out. Hi, I'm Preyo Phonie, and today I'll teach you how to make professional Instagram collage stories like a pro. Step 1. Start by unlocking your phone and launching the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to post from. Check that your app is updated to access the latest story features. This sets you up perfectly to create your collage story. Step 2. Locate the plus icon or tap your story bubble at the top of the feed. This opens the Instagram story creation interface instantly. Ensure you are in the correct section to start your collage. It's the first step to bring your photos together creatively. Step 3. Tap the select option to access your phone's photo gallery. This allows you to choose multiple images for your story. Make sure all the photos you want are ready to go. Selecting carefully ensures your collage looks cohesive and polished. Step 4. Pick multiple photos from your gallery to include in your story. You can select as many images as Instagram allows for a single collage. Choose images that visually complement each other for the best effect. This is where your collage really starts to come to life. Step 5. Once your images are selected, tap Next to continue. This prepares your photos for layout and editing options. You're now ready to customize the arrangement creatively. Tapping Next brings you closer to a stunning finished story. Step 6. Select the layout option to arrange your photos in a collage style. Instagram offers different grid options for flexibility and creativity. This is where you can experiment with photo positioning and style. Choosing the right layout makes your story visually engaging. Step 7. Use gestures to adjust photo size, position, and rotation. You can also switch between formats to find the perfect arrangement. Add stickers, text, or effects to enhance the collage further. Editing creatively ensures your story looks professional and unique. Step 8. When your collage is ready, tap Next to proceed to sharing. Review your collage carefully to make sure everything looks perfect. You can add hashtags, mentions, or music before posting. Finally, share your story with your followers and watch the engagement grow. Step 9. You can also start with just one photo and build a collage story. This lets you be more selective and creative with each edition. Start small, then gradually add more photos for a dynamic layout. It's a flexible way to craft a polished story experience. If this guide is helping you, hit the like button, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and tap the bell icon so you never miss the latest Instagram tricks and story hacks. Step 10. Swipe up to access your gallery while editing the story. This gives you quick access to additional images to add. You can drag and drop photos into your collage effortlessly. Swiping creatively allows for seamless story customization. Step 11. Select a photo from your gallery to start the collage layer. Position it where it fits best within your chosen layout. This is the foundation for adding the remaining photos. Picking the right starting image sets the tone for the entire story. Step 12. Add another photo from your gallery to enhance your collage. Use pinch, rotate, or drag gestures to position it perfectly. You can continue layering multiple images for a creative effect. Editing with gestures gives your story a professional, polished look. Creating Instagram collage stories has never been easier. By following these steps, you can make visually stunning stories effortlessly. Stay creative, experiment with layouts, and engage your audience like a pro. Keep following Preyo Phonie for more expert social media tutorials and hacks.